If you want to save yourself from stress on your big day, we strongly recommend you opt for our Spandex linens for your tables. Made from high-quality lycra, these covers are affordable, stretchable, durable, and wrinkle-free, meaning that you can use them again and again without ironing. There are many products available to best Spandex table cover, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. Everyone buys this product in the current market. You can also buy for other benefits. Everyone likes my product reviews. I hope you like it too. Please subscribe to my channel and check the description box. Number 1. Fitted Spandex Table Covers. High-quality Spandex wrinkle-free and stretchable fabric. Durable in Spandex. The Stretch Spandex rectangular table cover was made from 10% spandex, 90% polyester material, wrinkle and stain-resistant stretch spandex fabric with a 200 GSM, which make tablecloth more stretchable and durable, does not require ironing, and can be laundered countless times. Design. The fitted 6ft tablecloth is always fitted and tight. The 4-way stretchable spandex table covers are designed with reinforced foot pockets for the table legs to make a tight and professional look, and your table cover won't slip around or billow with wind again by this special design. The 6ft tablecloth fits tables that are 72 liters x 30 watts x 30H. Number 2. A Canopy Spandex Table Cover. Fits a standard 72 liters x 30 watts x 30H table. Open back grade table cover. Most of the table covers on the market weighs only 1.4 pounds, but ours are heavier. It means our table covers are thicker so that can't see through it. Pockets for legs are designed for keeping the tablecloth securely in place and extending their service lives. Wrinkle and stain-resistant stretch spandex fabric. Easy laundering in your home washing machine. Just wash with cold water and household detergent. Does not require ironing and can be laundered countless times. Number 3. Polyester Tablecloth Stretch Spandex Table Cover. High-quality spandex wrinkle-free and stretchable fabric. This rectangular table covers are stretchable, durable, wrinkle-free and stain-resistant due to it was made from 90% polyester material and 10% spandex fabric with a 200 GSM. Most of the table covers on the market weighs only 1.4 pounds, but ours are heavier. It means our table covers are thicker and durable. The 6-foot tablecloth fits tables that are 72 liters x 30 watts x 30H. 4-way stretch spandex material and pockets for legs are designed for keeping the tablecloth securely in place to fit your table better and make a flat and professional look so that your table cover won't slip around or billow with wind. It works better and more beautiful than traditional tablecloths. Great for BBQ table in your backyard party. Number 4. Supero Waterproof Spandex Table Cover. 10% spandex and 90% polyester. 3/4 quality spandex fabric. This table cover is made of 10% spandex and 90% polyester. Wrinkle resistant, waterproof and stain resistant, makes this table cover more durable. 3/4 size and DESIGN. This stretch tablecloth is suitable for standard 4ft tables, pounds diameter 48, length x 30, width x 30 HEIGHT pounds. The 4-way stretch spandex material and the elastic pocket design of 4 legs can better fit the table. Number 5. Asnomy 6/4 Table Cover Tablecloths. 90% polyester, 10% spandex. This tablecloths for parties is made of 90% polyester material and 10% spandex fabric, which is stretchable, durable, wrinkle-free and stain-resistant, thick, not see-through. The tablecloth comes with double thread stitching technology at the foot point of the table, which is high quality. This table covers for 6-foot tables is always fitted and tight. The 4-way stretchable spandex table covers are designed with reinforced foot pockets for the table legs to make a tight and professional look, and your table cover won't slip around or billow with wind again by this special design. The 6-foot tablecloth fits tables that are 72 liters x 30 watts x 30H.